This is my fiance. No, not the guy with the beard. No, my fiance is her. And she said she wanted to make a YouTube video on her car, which is a 2022 Q5. This video is going to be very different. It's going to have a little bit more of a comedic undertone to it. It's not going to be a review sensitive video, but she said that's the video she wanted to make. She wanted to make her own car review, I guess. So this is her car review video, and here's a picture of her with her cat. That's Malcolm, the Maine Coon. He's a good guy.
Hey guys, welcome back to John Powell's channel. I'm Constantina, John's fiance, can't tell. And today we're going to be doing a review on my 2025, what is this?
2022 Audi Q5.
There we go. My 2022 Audi Q5. Decided to give John the day off today. So you're going to get a little bit of me. We're going to review the car to make it a little more fun. We're going to clean it. Because if you can't tell, we got this car back in January. We're now in June. Has yet to see a splash of water other than rain. So we're gonna give it a nice inside-outside detail while I give you a good review on my likes and dislikes of the Audi Q5. Wait. And here we have the engine. It's a V8.
It's not a V8, it's a 4-cylinder.
It's a turbo.
It does have a turbo, yes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Didn't know that.
Yeah, I think it's called an EA888. I think these are the GTI engines in these, pretty much, from my understanding.
Interesting. Anyways, we have all of our different fluids in here. This one's
Oil.
This is oil.
Oil.
This is wiper fluid.
Oil.
This is wiper fluid.
Oil.
This is wiper fluid. So now we're gonna get into the fun part, washing it. I've never washed a car before. I don't like this.
You don't like it?
No.
You want me to do it?
You said I was taking too long. I had a 2017 Nissan Rogue. That was my first car. That car, it was good for a first car. Then it decided to crap out on me. It had some coolant issues. Got stuck in the airport for about 8 hours. My hood started smoking. So that was fun. Got rid of that. Actually, I didn't get rid of that. John told me that he did not want me driving that car anymore because it was absolutely awful. He told me to start driving the Q50 Red Sport that he had at the time. So I was like, these are so fun. I was ready to honestly buy it off of him and keep the car because I absolutely loved that car as well. But he told me no. He said it was way too much money, way too much maintenance, and honestly, I'm really thankful that he did not make me, or did not let me keep that car, I should say. And that was when I got my little princess, my 2022 Jetta. Loved it. But when we moved into the new house, we had about 7 cars in the driveway. So we kind of had a conversation. We're like, all right, it's time. We have 2 insurances and it's not worth it to have all these cars. Half of them don't get driven. So I had the Jetta for about a year. That was the first car I bought myself, own policy, own insurance, everything like that. I was really proud of myself, 19 years old. And yeah, I just didn't need that car anymore. So John told me to take the Atlas that he still has. And that was when we got the Audi. And those are all the cars that I have had and driven. It's almost time for me to get an oil change. But it's just a super smooth ride. Like I said, if you're a commuter, it's a wonderful car to drive. It's comfortable. The seats are comfortable. Everything about it is absolutely amazing. And definitely like a 10 out of 10 car for me. Checks all the boxes, and you know, it's a car that I see myself having for a really long time. And
Not if I can help it.
hey, listen.
How many cars have I owned in the time you've known me. So we've been together about 6 years?
5.5.
Almost 6 years?
Yeah.
Call 5.5 years. And I've had, counting company cars, what, 12 cars?
About.
And then bikes, 15?
Roughly.
You know, cars and bikes together, I've probably had about 15 vehicles in the last 5 years.
Yeah, probably. I mean, in the last 5 years, I've already gone through, what was that, 4 cars?
Yeah. I mean,
So.
most of them were my fault.
Yeah, but this one, I hope to have for a long time, this one. This one is definitely a good car to have. You know, and like even, you know, obviously we are a childless home, but this car is great for our little Simba. And, you know, maybe in the future, if we do decide to have kids, not anytime soon.
But for one kid, it would be fine. If you have two, you're definitely going to need to go to something bigger. Hello everybody, I just realized that my fiance never made an outro to her video, so I have to make the outro to the video, but I don't really know what to do, so I just figured I'd stand here and hold my dog and thank you guys for watching the video. So I appreciate you guys checking out the video. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hello. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and all that, and I will see you guys in the next one. Everybody say goodbye to Simba. Simba, say bye.